Jared here from Crypto Plan. How is everyone going? Today we are going to talk about a gold and copper junior mining company that is about to explode. And by I mean explode, I mean there is so much upside potential in this chart, in this stock. It won't play out as quick as crypto. Don't expect it to be like mooning by the end of the year. But this thing has so much upside potential. So I have to let you all in on this little unknown company. It's on the London Stock Exchange. It's named Kefi Gold and Copper. And before I get into the chart analysis, and it's the same principles as with crypto, the same indicators we're looking to break out, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel if you're new, and please click that notification bell. It helps me out a ton. So anyway, Kefi Gold and Copper, they are mining gold in Ethiopia and they are mining copper and gold in the Arabian-Nubian Shield in Saudi Arabia. So both particularly unexplored or underexplored territories because of geopolitical reasons, which is a beautiful thing, you know. So in the past 10 years would have been a bad play, but now moving into these times where these countries are a little bit more stable or they are looking to, you know, get into these markets. Ethiopia looking to get into gold mining more, Saudi Arabia looking to move away from oil because oil is going old and copper is the new oil because copper is part of the greenification of the world. So there's the fundamentals there. You got to remember about this. You know, this is about as far as I go into fundamentals, is just that macro environment, right? So just like crypto is about decentralizing money, decentralizing finance and giving the people power of their money again, these mining companies, the fundamentals, the driving force behind their fundamentals are the fact that the world is moving to a greener energy. You know, there is a commodities demand, there's a commodities shortage, there is an under-exploration, there is an under-investment in commodities in the last 20 or 30 years. So these stocks have all bottomed recently on the charts and they're ready to explode again. So we'll take a zoomed out kind of look. So we're on my monthly kind of breakout chart. So I'll go to the monthly view just to kind of have a look at the chart that way, and then we'll go back to the daily and have a look at the indicators that I'm looking for. Sorry, I've got to get this all in one page. So you've seen since February 11th, 2011. So that's the peak of the last bull run in gold. This stock ran up, you know, back then it was a hope and a dream and an idea, and that's fine. So it set us up for 174 pence all-time high, right? So that's what we want to see in the future, and we want to see that price achieved and broken. And you can see it's ran all the way down through the last bear market. And done a double bottom. We love to see these double bottoms on long-term monthly charts. It means that we have definitely hit a bottom. It means the asymmetry of the trade is so good. We can see over here on our volume profile a large volume defined base. You know, like this channel here between 1 pence 50 and 2 pence 50 basically is a solid base. It's a solid springboard that's about to happen. And I guess if we just look at, you know, to get a little bit excited about what we could be in for, if we were in this for the long run, you know, for the next 5 to 7 years, you know, we're looking at 195x, you know, or actually to all-time high, we're looking at a 286x. So cryptocurrencies are going to give us some great returns, but these kind of mining plays can give you as greater returns as cryptocurrencies. You just have to wait a bit longer. But the thing is, in the crypto winter, you have to wait that long anyway. You know, if you wanted to get the maximum gains out of Cardano or the maximum gains out of XRP or the maximum gains out of, you know, anything that was cheap in 2019, you've had to wait nearly 2 years to cash that out. So you're just probably going to have to wait 4 years for this one to get to its, 150%, 150x your money, So, don't be shy to be looking at gold and copper plays at the moment, because especially junior miners like this, because big moves could happen. So I'm going to go back to the daily chart, and we're going to just kind of zoom in here. So for those of you that have seen other videos that I've done on kind of similar mining stocks breakouts, so this one kind of broke out of its downtrend. So it did the double bottom. I guess the prime entry point was kind of somewhere here. That would have been your first position. I didn't see it that soon, so that's fine. I kind of picked it up after this move. So I have a good cost basis in about £1.80. So right now my position is sitting nice. It's sitting in the green, which is good. But it's been sitting there for a long time, since last year basically. I've had this one. Been accumulating, building this position, and the good thing about these ones is it's not like crypto where the price runs on you. You have time, there's lots of paydays to be accumulating positions in these. So you can see once again the volume defined base, this 195 level, it's been hovering around there plus or minus a couple of percent of that solid volume defined base. Now, what has happened today, we'll go back to the monthly. We've had a bullish cross, that golden cross, and I didn't put this in my breakouts video yesterday, but we've just had the bullish cross. The 1 year moving average is crossed over to the 3 year moving average, and that 3 year moving average is going to kind of start curving up, which is the bullish signal that we all want to see. And then what's happened today, so a couple of days after that bullish cross, good things happen, right? So my I guess my mentor in chart analysis, Patrick Karim, I follow him heavily and watch him and learn a lot of him. And you can kind of find him on Twitter and YouTube. He's kind of posted a chart on Twitter the other day saying good things happen after the golden cross. And then the day later, look what happens. We have a little bit of price discovery towards, well, not price discovery, but a little bit of price action towards this pink line, which is, to me, the level that we want to see broken. We want to see a daily candle close above that line, and then a daily candle open above that line. And then we're looking to see zero price resistance for a while upwards above there. Volume is increasing. You can see down here, big increase in volume over the last 3 days. So once again, the 2 days prior, big increase in volume, but price action didn't really happen. Then the third day, price action follows. So we're hoping that this trend will continue. Our stock is bullish. It's separating itself from the red. The blue line separating itself from the red line. That's super bullish. And other than that, we've got that wick thing. We love to see that wick thing where it went up to 250, it pulled back to 265. So if you were to enter tomorrow, pending a pile in from institutional investors and big money rushing in, you have that opportunity to get something a little bit cheaper than what it's telling you it wants to be. That's the price it wants to be. It wants to be higher. This wick up here is saying it wants to be at 293 pence. So yeah, just have to put this on your radar, people. You may all only be into crypto, and that's fine, but I know a few people are watching and wanting to get into these commodity stocks. They will run, junior miners, they have low market caps, and it doesn't take much institutional money to come in for the price to be pushed a lot higher. And, the beautiful thing is that it's not as scary when you sleep at night with these ones, like pending World War III. These things should keep building and building because, mines are coming into production, increased demand on the underlying resource. The underlying resource is going up in value. So there's positive macro and economic factors at play here. So that's why I'm bullish, and that's my thesis, and that's my bull case for it. There is always the bear case. You've always got this opportunity that there is retests of this 154, but the thing is, a stock like this, there's no reason for it to be manipulated like the silver price, or to be manipulated like, a cryptocurrency can by a whale. There's no need for it to happen. This is just normal price action, normal accumulation, normal activity of people, rushing in, getting bored, selling out, or, taking profits. Once again, rushing in, taking profits, and then an accumulation zone, like people buying in and out, just kind of speculating, hoping to be early, can't wait, So this is a normal accumulation on a chart. But the thing is, once the accumulation's over, and if you miss it, you miss that, that 2 or 3x move, which can happen very quickly on these small stocks. So just putting it on your radar there. I can buy it on Trading 212. I've also started an account with Interactive Brokers recently, which you can buy stocks from all around the world, which is great. So yeah, just maybe be thinking about things like this. Anyway, that's it for now. Jared from Crypto Plan. Hope you have a good day, evening, wherever you are in the world. And I know I've got people watching all around the clock. So yeah, morning, night, evening. See you later. Bye for now.